Yes, a fatasa out today, and as you are Kufuna, yet the Brewono and F pack, and if you establish yes, Yakonkona, and in some of the Bro F pack on Yabako, be established so much a bit more for sending you pioneers and get what. Hey, DBS if there's any, aye, on 114, more dear more Bajuma. DBS for Metamostana, sorry. He said them one dance dear Sechapo. He said the DBS for so much a chomonia manisu. Amatete so says so toti. Go for me here so my bomb than the DBS for say no money is our way. Now Urufin shit no more from out. All dinosaur see be a funny concrete in this city near the Digna Mwana. Assign a year at the Amamo. Omoke Hono Pena, Yen Samano at the Proud Channel. So my empty napono and as a Basona in a feed empty as they say the empty. What's Sunny Mamukra? I ain't your mommy be easy. E my empty na pono so. Obesani mumu, obeto credit na so baby bia. E my empty na pono so na esa oba na esu ye kama. Enti fa wonjim. Nipa say ko App Store, Play Store on your Android phone na download the Go phone so na prepare niam ye easy at the amount. Me kwedi esi akonkon sa na immortal ajakwa champion let's grab that right time and your fell. The man. Enoch Walanyo Wallace James Oinba Makion me producers I'm coming on paramedic someone dear bro Kegyiwa Kasanye Eric Asiedu Boadi abusia live on our Facebook page me patro Memeda BBC ewo Gold Stars game e baso bi bia ni against Matema Kumasi Asante Kotoko no go bi eto atenam go ne to atenam pe ne go kiwa referee said abi go we dey meje nye assistant referee ne head coach nyina adwen ho zarabi wo ntimi nyi goal money amanfo aka safa goal ni ho saa amanfo aka safa goal Michelle is Eric your forehead is shiny I can't go for it's your history now my forehead it's live on Facebook my forehead is not shiny stop that when goal at Tottenham a referee said go with it abi menye it be say born insa it is because me describe ya cha goalkeeper na che ball no o che ball no front no jan insa mo na striker na jira ho na pa obody to mu o yes or toa to mu na there's goalkeeper or toa or to na san jin in some to form na player na ball no to atenam but ni goalkeeper na petre kakra na ade na ho no ohun ni ye because as referee 2 no edge go no move ko center referee no men ho ti how omo hu say ye foul no na na makrofo kasa foul sa ne ade a eti wa hwe say we ego ana say enye go na ene hwebom sa o Facebook no so Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook na buansa say go ready ho achinya na do so but ye kasa go ne ho ansem no na matches ni na sha se fie da arabo for quarter no elbow RTU by 2-1 ofie ana Saturday Gold Stars team Matema Kumasi Asante Kotoko SFU born e kamienu a Kotoko te kanimu baako na after the game Prosper Nete Oguma coach manipa Edema Matema at the same way and a two dra watch them ese kwambia so no coach bia ni wo pay defeat dabi coach bia ni wo pay defeat.
Yeah, I think we played well. We created a few chances. In the first half, I think they looked stronger, tougher, and harder on us. But then when we came in the second half, I think we looked more settled. We were able to connect our passes. And then the few changes that we also did brought some stability into the game, especially up front. And that made us to create some few chances. So to me, I mean, we've lost, but I'm impressed about the performance.
You appear to have conceded possession to your opponent while trying to hit them on the counter, especially with the long balls. Is that a game plan for this game, or things didn't go right for your team today?
That was a game plan. I mean, if you look at the way they play, they always balloon the ball straight up the field. So what we tried to do was to try and win the first balls and the second balls and then hit them on the run. So basically that was the approach. That was why we played Steven and then Kalu. And if you watch from the first half up to the end of the game, anytime the last but one pass was able to get to any one of them, we created danger in front of their goal. So that was our approach, and it worked well. If you look at the last chance we missed, it was from a fast break that we got it.
We Prosper Nete Ogum coach Adema Matema Kumasi Asante Kotoko and then some to Jasa after say Gold Stars Chin no monoka minua watimu bako e wo bibiani ti first time Kotoko ko luzu on bibiani wono at dance park we en kwhye ho yen kwose ho aya odro ntikoro ko obi a no timi ko twene dro bi no afa ne hodi no ko na de go stars for say meham na da bienu eti go we na chese ka ho de akakwa be 3 goals na begu kotokwatenam na ye show on your Facebook live no so no ai de tia referee na nyene de yeguso hwe ko angle na ke betima mnyahu se e bia bo ne nsa no enso so hu ni yi eti hu se de ntia ya nye go no ti ye Facebook no so Adom 106.3 FM now ye mepie mo na ye hwe kwase da match se course so in the Ghanaian Premier League aye match day 2 now Heart of Folk tenafie achin Swaterman ebon Swaterman for kabako a woman to me anti na sa match we na se aye dan ya aye Heart of Folk to me win as the first match or tamale and fat pressure ba tenasa has a ba fie no ba chin Swaterman sha no has jan nan so ebon Swaterman bakwa one more and to me anti e was a game anymore now after the game Abdulaziz Nuruddin one a man of the match one so and a captain Sampan in the game what is someone to judge them say we him say na must win be him say na must win tina say winner no winning ga one winning as shaba
was in a bad game last week we went to Tamale we lost we were a little bit down we came back to the drawing board our coach picked us up that we should come and do the necessary things here back home and you know that today is a must win we have no excuse for it today that's why we put in a lot of work you saw the time that the goal came actually we started with pressure to get that win and inshallah Allah was by our side we got a win actually we were supposed to have scored more but we squandered all the chances but we go back and learn from it then we imply it in the next game.
Wayne and Samoa Aziz Nuruddin what you to dwa watching mo say chances in be brebaya na se komutumi jiro mo hye nanso so jeje kwakwasa sa ene se buka mu a woman to me answer enso so ho no eti Casa Ramos and a share the only goal at my I had to for but after the game coach one your coach money part my had to for coach Koopman on some to dwa chire mo say chale after the first match anko yi no mo ba ha ba bo na say mo wini first home match and after so kura young squad out the yedma et young squad the yedma say ye more time
yeah, first home victory. It's now also good. Working very hard with a young new team. It was not easy to make them on a level that we can start competition because we had a lot of trial players. My TD did a lot of good work. I came and stepped in a little bit later, so I must learn the players. I must learn also what coach I am. I think the mix is very good, so I have a good feeling. It's not easy. First home game, it's always tense. We are still a little bit nervous, but if this team put out the nervous in the legs, so I think they play a very, very good game. I'm happy with the 3 points today, and now we must work a new week for the next game. This is not the end, it is only the beginning.
This is not the end, it is only the beginning. And only there, Coach Koopman, Coach Manipad, Master Folk, the two Jamaso, Kunadu, Nahazo Folk, while Stars, Moto Mobile, Be Motion, 3 be few, has his chairman to Kunadu say, Kotoko, Legon City say, he has intimation. 10 radio, na a record na has a sen was and Zodiagum, then Yasan Kahono, Master says, on a football team. The boys, dear, 10 against 11. No castle be bedi but one pen number fans are
a nice game, very, very competitive. I think the early red card distracted us a bit, but all the same, we kept fighting until the end of the game. But to sum it up, say it was a difficult match for us. Also, folk played very well and they deserve to win. We are not taking anything away from that or from them, but it was a really competitive game. We prepare ourselves mentally and try to psych our boys to give up their best. They did their best, but it wasn't just enough to, carry the day. Like talking about House of Folk breaking the game, that is football. It's normal. I mean, one day I thought that with the early record they could go 2-3-0, but we were fighting it hard and prevented them from scoring some more goals. But we are not taking anything away from House of Folk. They played better and they deserve the win.
Yente Kibi Bia from Out of Folk, they played better and deserved the win. Maxwell Kunadu coach at the man's Swaterman, no, they in some two just now. Other games are bound to be champion fear board dreams to fork about what dreams and to me ante. And Adriana Chim, Mediama Chef, fear no one come in one Mediama. Yeah, fat. Karela Bobrecum Chelsea by 3 goals to 1 nation FC. At the Fiat Mijana, so the summer test we needs. But summer test me, no summer test to me ante coach as Menge win number. Heart of Lance, the great Olympics, so Piant man for born to the young quaterm. ye zolo and one boy eti we and the course so I was so ga promote mu a we match day 2 of the Ghanaian Premier League. Accra Lions and Legon Cities na de be prem so at 3 p.m. and after 2 games but for kwa na table no so aboso all 4 points there gina ho bamba no yo anya sam keto akro wo makan and ebi wo mo didi so Stephen Amankona 3 goals for match day 1 obogu mura no gusu kura mu a top scorer of the Ghanaian Premier League so far. Ivan Sadamako 2 goals from country or Lagos City so no so 2 goals we ni sene Ghanaian Premier League match day 2 no so one some setia e one some so bro nyume ye baba wura mu ye ni am one sene next games and after next round of matches no ebesi akọ and your coaches ni bi so eka and ya shene so mame so ko pie mu obi man so na the North London derby and Arsenal Asian national Tottenham Hotspur the ye mu a mugamu pa na nya sam ketwa for over years ni Tottenham nkonko survive it Arsenal home but over the weekend it was 2-2 Arsenal na Tottenham ate Arsenal na Tottenham ate e ba cho so human one na e shede ma Tottenham Hotspur and Arsenal so Saka etumi eboku muniti pa edma Arsenal for na omo Romero of Tottenham Hotspur so e share ho ba ko de kan ho a e kwa 2-2 edma game ba so e North London derby no Brighton e bo Bournemouth for come so mo team ba ko Chelsea Chelsea San Lucio, Aston Villa Bonica Bakwa, 1-2 anti Liverpool, and so tonight Fiat Mijana so for West Ham. This is the 20th attempt here. David Moyes I was over to mention Liverpool fear and Falcobianian and Paul West Ham so West Ham Lucy by 3-1. Newcastle record 8-0 against Sheffield United. 8 different players. And say Edma Asampani Timpacho the Coso in the EPL you don't want some so bro Enra any Saturday games anymore and so I don't know wouldn't say Manchester United so Burnley by a goal to nil I was that game no now pass be John Evans most why akwakra wo di can say and you page pass na Bruno Fernandes na super nyan no drop pa na and of course Everton Alba Brighton by 3-1 City Northern Forest, Elbow Northern 4 Kamienwa, Northern Antony Antia Luton Town, and in Wolves Diana 1-1, and a Crystal Palace the Fulham so Obiant Mian for ball, Anthony Yonko Atenemu in Spain. Barcelona no more da form a cap mienu. Ball no crani a babe ponwanisa. In the 81st minute, just 80th minute in our clock here, in himself, Saturday we go review Basa, 81st minute Lewandowski pa, 85th pa. 89th, Joao Cancelo, pa. Basa we need 3-2. Ja Spanish League anymore. Nanya sam keto akra. Nanaya de Madrid derby on Sunday. Real Madrid had him. One Atletico Madrid de Pimswa. Atletico achi Real Madrid and no ne kam yensa. Madrid te kanimu ba kope. Hey! Ancelotti said man bedding is akwa to the biana obi a start here show be a rough no afedi Atletico achina no na man da okrepa where the course in the Spanish La Liga yaba sorry so na Inter Milan winning 1-0 over Empoli Sanso na Roma and Torino game no ending in 1-1 now Napoli ekwa way to Bologna kobo zolo hey Napoli penalty beto okra no semi about atwene Fiorentina winning 2-0 over Udinese take a chance so sa efama me say we and a bass so ewo the Italian Serie A but Saturday matches nibi so baso in the Italian Serie A AC Milan above Verona by 1-0 Juve Eco lose to Sassuolo won 4-2 hey Lazio ni Monza dia ni 1-1 in Germany Bayern Munich above Bochum by 7-0 Dortmund winning 1-0 over Wolfsburg yes and Leipzig above Mönchengladbach by a goal now Unipa Hurricane above 3 goals in the game on a normal day Quebec was a hat-trick Germany say we share 3 goals na antoa to aso a enye hat-trick eti say Hurricane na share 3 goals there but Germany mranim no yen share 3 goals no share no bia be share bia shem na wa ko share later dabi proper hat-trick ne say obo ne panyan obi ama me share bi shem uti anye ye kra so an share no in the same half kra yen nyima the Hurricane na share 3 goals but enko hurry enye hat-trick yen kan but train the kan goals ho a so obodma e wo Italy pa de won sam so yeah sorry so le classic ba so Paris Saint-Germain bogu muniti pa e mama say for money da hokre e wo the French league enim aya so ntokwa no anwumre ye be komu yi na omobo no ne fan no de amu anwi ntokwa pa to niam ba pa so rough what is that Kanu ne de course and I want some ebro now you know tenasia ye be komu ye na wa hu de course so behind the scenes the Ghanaian Premier League national teams na catches so Black Queens boy AF Park ni BX tablet and ponsen for the when you sound breo DBS Industries Limited oba dan so ya omo MTN everywhere you go my MTN na promotion say the bia ye pes ye bia ye no come ba you must like Jakwa champion let's kwabena so James Ohineba Makion writer Professor Wallace the producers no Kaisa wodi nankasa beka Kegyiwa ne ho Eric Asiedu Boadi Asha be machi Asha no na papa birthday Mr. Johnson Boadi Otase Mr. Johnson Boadi papa ni pon na birthday nti papa fantastic happy birthday now belated happy birthday come on nyame sha no ton ko na mame ana pomdi ni hu hia me sanse cash ba you go chop some okay bo me enko